AI content generation is all the rage these days. Videos, images, and text can be generated at the touch of a button. But what if you could make a tool that caters to your personal voice and message to then post on LinkedIn? That's what we are going to build today inside of Replit using OpenAI's API. After today's project, you will have the starting point not only for a tool for yourself, but to build a profitable SaaS business. Okay, it looks like Replit is done building out the design of our application. So far, not looking too pretty, but hey, we'll work on that. We're just kind of looking at the layout right now. We got the drag and drop and upload for documents. That looks correct. That's good. What would you like to post about? And then you kind of put in here what you want to post about. That's cool. It actually wants me to add in the Open API key here. So let's go get that. Okay, so here over in OpenAI's API key generator, we actually want to create a new key and we want to come up with a name. So in this case, we're going to call it LinkedIn Post Generator. And in our case, we're going to put it right over in our values. So it's going to go over into our secrets tab, which we'll verify that here in a second. I'm actually going to hit the build functionality button and let's have it build out the rest of the functionality. Now that it has the OpenAI key, we're going to actually really kind of start getting into the meat and potatoes of this program. Okay, so one of the things I'm curious about is, can I add documents to this interface to modify ChatGPT's output? So we're really in a development environment here. So let's check that out with the database. It looks like it has not been set up yet. So the database, to me, is not showing up correctly. So this may be a little bit of danger zone going on here, but I'm going to ask in current chat to set up a database. Let's give this another try. Upload to OpenAI here. Okay, we've seen that part work. And now that is uploaded, we should be able to go back to the database. We hit refresh. Come on, big money. There we go. All right. So there's our entry. So it needed the WebSocket support. Sometimes AI is silly and it forgets basic things like that. Hey, live and learn, right? Now that we have the database record coming in here, let's try actually creating a post. So I kind of came up with an actual post that I would write. And this is talking about my other SaaS software and product that I built called Game Monument. So I am talking about that here. And I generated a post based off my guidelines and voice. And I got to be honest, this is pretty good. So this has come together quite well. And instead of building out just a custom chat GPT that you could do, and you could use all this, we actually used the API and built out a product. So now this tool can be used to sell to other people, and you could actually put more functionality around it. And that's why you just don't just do a custom GPT, you actually build out a SaaS platform that you can then iterate on. This is just the beginning. Now that we have a great starting point with a SaaS tool with an integrated database, we have to ask ourselves, how far do we want to go? Let me know in the comments what you think we should do next, either with this tool or another one that we could build together. Don't forget to join my school to get the code. Link is in the description. See you in the next one.